Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking a true HD image. Choose 1920x 1080 or 4K for crisp results. Once picked, save it to Pictures or Desktop so it's easy to find. Now, right-click the file or open Display Settings to begin. Doing this avoids scaling artifacts and gives you control over placement. Make sure the image aspect ratio matches your monitor to prevent stretching. If multiple monitors are present, decide which screen you want covered before proceeding to the next step. You now set the image and fine-tune how it displays. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize, then Background. Set background to picture and select your saved file. Next, pick a fit option, fill for full coverage, fit to keep full image, or span for dual monitors, because each changes cropping and clarity. Then open Display Settings and confirm the screen is at its native resolution. Mismatched resolution causes blur. Once done, preview the wallpaper and tweak fit, or move to a different image if needed. You finish by applying changes and checking the lock screen and virtual desktops to ensure consistency. If the wallpaper looks blurry, resave the image at your monitor's native resolution or choose PNG for better sharpness. This fixes compression artifacts. Make sure scaling and display settings is appropriate. 125% or 150% can affect clarity. If problems persist, clear the system cache, restart Explorer, or update GPU drivers. Lastly, test another high-resolution image to isolate whether the file or settings caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.